In this video, I'm going to show you how to read the location on your timetable. This can be done both before and after you have enrolled in your subjects. This way, you can easily tell if your class is being run on campus or online. You can view your subject timetable before you enroll via the Subject Timetable page. To access the Subject Timetable page via the UOW website, go to the Current Students page and then scroll down and select Subject Timetables from the Timetables menu. You'll come to a page titled Timetables and Classes. Scroll down to the Timetables heading. Under the heading will be a list of campuses for the current session and trimesters. Select the campus you'll be studying at. For this video, I'll be selecting the Wollongong campus. You'll come to a page titled Subject Timetable. Scroll down to the search criteria box. This is where you'll be able to search all of your classes. You can do this by entering the subject code in the subject code field at the top of the page. If your subject code only has 3 letters followed by 3 numbers, ensure that you type in a space after the letters. For example, type BCM space 110 to search for the subject. Once you've entered the subject code, click Search, and your subject will be loaded at the top of the page. You can add any additional classes you want to see by following this process. Once you're ready, click the Select All box, and then click View the timetable information for the selected subjects box. On this page, you'll be able to see all of the relevant information for your class. To view if the class is being run on campus or online, please see the Location column. Online classes will be listed as online, and in-person classes will show the building number and classroom. Once you have enrolled in your subjects, you'll be able to view your subject timetable on your SOLS account. Firstly, you'll need to log into your SOLS account. You can do this by the Current Students page. Click Timetable on the left-hand navigation menu and select Subject Timetable from the drop-down menu. Your enrolled subjects and their relevant information will be listed below. Your subject delivery mode will be indicated in the Location column. Online classes will be listed as online, and in-person classes will show the building number and classroom. Pre-recorded classes or lectures are usually listed as Refer to Moodle. For any other FAQs, frequently asked questions, you may have about UOW, you can search by the AskUOW Knowledge Base. There will be a link in the description. Make sure that you log on with your UOW username and password. Make sure that you use your username, not your email, as you won't be able to access the system this way.